In this example, we want to do a loop that basically runs 1,000 times and checks the number between 1 and 100. So first we need a formula. So the formula to get a random number is 1 to 100. So that will, every time we click on F9, it will give us the number. So what we want to do now is every time we click this, it should take this and copy and paste it in A1. Next time it should run it to copy it in A2. So what's the best way to do this? So first we need to just record a normal macro to get copy and paste. So the first time this one run, it will say copy. It will go then say paste value, which is very important. So that's the first time it runs. So let's go stop that. Okay. So remember, every time we want to initiate the macro, we just need to insert a button or a shortcut. I'm just going to say new. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly declare a variable. And I'm going to make that equal to 1. So then I'm going to say, because we need to run a loop, I'm going to say do until ABC is equal to 1001, because we want to do it 1,000 times. Our loop will end just there. So then what I want to say is ABC equals ABC plus 1. So now every time this loop runs, it will start at 1, and every time it runs, it will add 1. So it will basically run 1,000 times. So this is our copy and paste code. But remember, if we run this now, it will go 1,000 times, but it will copy the same number in A1 every single time. So we need to increment that as well with ABC. So the first time this runs, it will go to range A1 and select it. See, this is not right. So the code is in D1. So we want to copy D1. So let's go first to D1. So we want to take D1 select. We're going to copy that. See, we didn't copy the code correctly. Let's go do that again. So it's always very important to understand what you are doing. So let's follow this. So first we're going to a specific selection. So what is the selection? So this is wrong. We want to say its range D1. So that's where we want to go. We want to say copy range D1. Is that correct? Yes. Then we're going to go, we want to select A1 and then copy that. But A1 we want to increase with the value of ABC. So the first time this runs, it will say ABC is 1, so it will go A1. The next time, because we're incrementing it there, it will be 2. So when it runs again, it will say A2, and so on and so on. So what's also very important now, if you run a code, it's so quick that Excel can't calculate. So we can't do F9 here, but we can write something that says calculate. So that is the formula or the code to calculate every single time. So let's go test that. So as you can see there, the code is busy running. So this will run 1,000 times, so we can just give it a bit of time. So if you want to stop a code in the middle, you can just press exit and it will stop. So yeah, we can stop it now. It will run 1,000 times, but so it will say debug, but that's fine. So now we've run this 368 times, and the average of this is 55.26. So what's very important here is you need to you don't need to declare a variable, but it's better. Just use the copy and paste function and then just see which code you need to change to be able to run it, and then you can do it.